The Bjt Transistor Bias Interactive Calculator solves for key operating parameters in 6 different transistor biasing configurations. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your bias configuration from the drop-down menu. You can choose Voltage Divider Bias, which calculates IC, VCE, and VB, Emitter Bias for IC, VCE, and VE, Collector Feedback Bias for IC, VCE, and IB, Fixed Bias for IC, VCE, and IB, Stability Factor for Voltage Divider circuits, or Design Voltage Divider to calculate R1 and R2 for a target IC. For this demonstration, I'm using Voltage Divider Bias. Now enter your circuit parameters: VCC supply voltage in volts, R1 upper divider in kiloohms, R2 lower divider in kiloohms, RC collector resistor in kiloohms, RE emitter resistor in kiloohms, beta current gain, and VBE base emitter voltage in volts. Here's a worked example. With VCC at 12 volts, R1 at 10 kiloohms, R2 at 2.2 kiloohms, RC at 2.7 kiloohms, RE at 1 kiloohm, beta at 100, and VBE at 0.7 volts. Clicking Calculate gives us base voltage VB of 2.164 volts, emitter voltage VE of 1.464 volts, collector current IC of 1.464 milliamps, base current IB of 14.6639 microamps, and collector emitter voltage VCE of 6.583 volts. The operating region shows active, confirming proper biasing. This tool streamlines transistor circuit design. Find the link in the description below.